currently in Azizia. Many times Hujjaj feel disillusioned that they are no longer in the Haram in Makkah, close to the Kaaba, performing Salah in the Haram. But there's a few things that need to be remembered. One is not every Sahabi lived close to the Haram, be it in the Makki period or even in the Madani period. Yet they were connected. Secondly, Azizia is still part of the broader Haram. It's still part of the sanctuary, the noble and virtuous and blessed area. It's within the boundaries. So any good you do, the reward is multiplied. Any wrong you do, the sin is still multiplied. That is something you need to keep in mind. It's also a good opportunity that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala gives one to create a bit of a spiritual cave. Like Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went for solitude to the cave of Hira. If you're close to the Haram, there is a lot of hustle and bustle. There is a lot of activity. And I just mentioned to the Hujjaj in the talk that I gave not too long ago, here in Azizia, that this last week will not be the week of your most intense preparation. That has already taken place. But it will be the time of your most critical preparation. And that is where you need to now refine your niyyah, strengthen it, broaden it, get your mindset into alignment, ensure that you realize and you solidify this realization that I'm not here just to perform Hajj, but I am here to become a Haji. There's two different things, performing Hajj and becoming a Haji. I'm here to change my life, to transform my life, and to ensure that I remain changed for the better forever. So Muallims and guides have this challenge that Hujjaj in this last week, they tend to gravitate to either one of two extremes. One is they overexert themselves in doing things which are not really necessary because they want to keep up the momentum, and they feel that, I'm not near the Haram, so I got to do extra. We must be careful about our egos always wanting stimulation. Hajj is about surrender. When Allah put you in Makkah, Allah put you in Makkah. Now Allah puts you in Azizia. Remember, you still have a very blessed period ahead of you. You're still on a very blessed journey. You still are very blessed. You are about to go again into Haram and embark on the journey of Hajj. Being in Makkah, as virtuous as it is not necessary for that to happen. So that's the one thing that we try to emphasize. But you find people who sometimes gravitate to that extreme of overdoing it and then compromising themselves either physically or even mentally, emotionally, when you need to peak at the time of Hajj. And then on the other hand, you've got those who and the majority gravitate towards the other extreme. They go on a super chill, sleep a bit too much, socialize way too much of time on shopping and eating, and they kill the spiritual energy that they've generated in Medina and Makkah. I gave the example. I said, if you're going on a long journey and there's not going to be an opportunity for you to charge your mobile, so you charge your phone, to its maximum capacity, you charge your power bank to its maximum capacity. Now, the night before, the day before, you can't be playing around frivolously on your phone because you're killing battery that you're going to need going ahead. Similarly, don't spill and don't spoil and don't waste the spiritual energy that you've developed during the period that you were in Medina and Makkah by overdoing it with the mundane activities. Rather, Azizia gives you an opportunity in a more quiet space to sustain your ibadat, and at the same time to ensure that you can work in solitude and privacy on your mindset and your intention to show the greatest form of gratitude that you can show to Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, and that is trying to make the most of this opportunity of Hajj, inshallah. So I thought it was necessary that even for Hujjaj that are to come, and for others that who may not be here, but to witness it, to pick up on the sentiment and to share it with friends and family who may be here, that don't be disillusioned because you're not in Makkah in Azizia. You're still on a very great journey, and you can use this to your advantage. Even Hujjaj, I know some are following these snapshots. I hope that this would be of benefit, inshallah. Barakallahu feekum.